Hi all, welcome to Anjanaya Academy, Learning German with Ritu. We have started with German language A1 series. So today's lesson 2, we will learn months in German. Do watch the complete series for A1, the beginner's level. It is very useful. Okay? So let's start with months now. 1 month is der Monat. Der Monat. Plural months is die Monate. Die Monate. Please write. You have to speak and write also. J is year in German. Der Januar. Not Januar. Der Januar. Der Januar. Der Februar. Der Februar. Der Februar. A with two dots is umlaut in German. Der März. Der März. April. Not April. Der April. Der April. Der Mai. Der Mai. Like January, it was Januar. So June is Juni. J is year sound. J को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Year. So there Juni. What do we say, Julie? It is not Julie. It is there July. There Juli. July is there Juli. Many students pronounce it as Julie, which is wrong. It is there Juli. J is year sound. Der Juli. Der August. Der August. Der September. September. Der Oktober. October. October. Okay, V is the f sound. V को हम क्या कहेंगे? F. So, there November. November. November, wrong. There November. There December. There December. Let's summarize. Monate. Januar. Februar. März. A with two dots. April. Mai. Now it is not Juni and Julie as I explained earlier. It is Juni, Juli. J is year sound in German. August, September, October. V is the first sound. November, December. Thanks for watching my video. Do subscribe for new lessons and explaining the concepts from A1 to B2 in German. Gradually, we will also do practice paper, model test papers and comprehensions in German. So do subscribe. It is very useful channel. To take classes personally from me, you can WhatsApp me on the given number on the YouTube. Till then, take care. Happy learning. Bye-bye.